into that kind of submission and tied him up. He had to be ambushed by a group. And that group is sitting in front of you, minus Bray Boy. These defendants, as Judge Helms' order points out, were not your average 14 and 15-year-olds. These are hard things to say, that these young men had had more than 140 contacts with law enforcement. That not one of these lawyers is going to bring you a report identifying another suspect or pointing to another suspect with DNA evidence, fingerprint evidence. They're not going to bring you anyone in here who has confessed to the crime. The things that were true about those statements in 2002 and reviewed by the Court of Appeals, 2 separate panels, are still true today.
So it will be very clear from the contextual evidence in this case, the direct and circumstantial evidence, that this wasn't a practice of just letting 14 and 15-year-olds know under the general statutes what the possible consequences are for first-degree murder. These were death threats. We do not have to prove any other constitutional defect because this is not a murder trial. And this is not a motion for appropriate relief to set aside a conviction in a murder trial. This is an entirely separate procedural safeguard that the state of North Carolina established. We have a simple burden in this case, and that is to prove to you all by clear and convincing evidence on the record already before you and what you will see that they are innocent. And we are confident that you will rule at the ending of this hearing that they are. These particular confessions that were obtained in this case would not be admissible in court in 2022 against these juveniles.
Counsel is indicating well, the state can contact Michael Trace and get this information. Your Honor, the state's experience is that when you contact defense witnesses,
John Dunlop, judges present and presiding. God save the state and its army.
that related to testing requested by defense counsel.
The attorney is accountable, holding what is and is not members of Nathaniel Jones should be